Nestled in the peaceful countryside, Windsor Point Condominiums is a charming community that perfectly blends rural charm with modern comforts. The community is surrounded by greenery, a serene pond, and a welcoming stone sign. A new resident moves into their cozy townhouse with a stone exterior and a charming porch. Inside, they find a bright foyer, a kitchen with sleek appliances and granite countertops, and a dining area with a chic eat sign. The living room overlooks a lush backyard with sunlight streaming in through large windows. The home features 2 spacious bedrooms, 1.5 baths, main-level laundry, new vinyl plank flooring, and plush carpet. The master bedroom offers a peaceful sanctuary with a balcony for morning coffee. The large one-car garage provides ample storage. The resident organizes their belongings in the walk-in closet and laundry room. They enjoy decorating their home and exploring the community, visiting the nearby park and the picturesque pond. The basement becomes a cozy entertainment area. As night falls, the resident sits on their balcony, watching the stars twinkle above. 4450 Gray Road becomes not just a house, but a home filled with comfort, joy, and endless possibilities.
Contact John Reuter of Integrity Homes at 608-669-4226 or email john@integrityhomeswi.com. Or you can scan the fancy QR code below.